Look, the same thing around Io, the moon of Jupiter, Io. Jupiter or Saturn, I'm not sure. I think it's Saturn, but I'm not sure. But anyway, look, the same exact thing. The tubes, all the same exact, exactly. This is what the solar system is made of, these things. There's no stars or meteors or shit. This is all what it is. This is structures. We see it's an illusion, and a freaking illusion, semi-real, because they materialize electromagnetic stuff is dual. Look at that. A stuff sitting on top of a structure next to another thing that is sitting on top of, and then you see the tubes, and it's like you're looking at a city, a weird city. This is what the solar system is like, all over, just like that Apollo 8 image show around the moon was. Look, same exact thing, exactly. There's nowhere to go, except if you know how to move around these conduits and shit. And it vibrates. See how it does? Even in the images, the pictures, it vibrates when you play them. You take a video of the deal, it vibrates. Because that's the manifestation frequency that they're using, the entities. Too dark, let's brighten up the show. There you go. Check it out. See, in some part of the image you get dark, according to the type of frequency, the frequency, how it's bouncing from the area, in the area. But it's all like that, all of it. It's exactly like that, and that's how it vibrates. And that's why those objects recorded by Leonard Watson, they vibrate, because that's what they do, they're pumping electromagnetic waves that become visible, irradiating the entire, solar system with the structures back and forth, boom, boom, at quantum level. Bam. That's what they call it, quantum consciousness. There is a lot more than that, it's not just like that. Quantum is just a word, is what I mean. That means a lot more stuff than just that. Vibrating, yeah, but the frequency and all of that this is a deeper deal. That's why the hexagonal shapes has a lot to do with this. That's why they use hexagons everywhere. Octagon, hexagon, mostly hexagons. Look at that. Just think like that. That is, for people that don't know nothing about any of this, it's just a waste of their time, because you cannot understand anything. It's like scaffolding. This is how the whole deal is made. See, diagonal, vertical, horizontal, in every which way. Look at this black tube that's what that is. It's a conduit. But they see all these tubes that goes everywhere. Because it's a biomechanical and energetic thing. And we are spiritual on top of that, and dimensional. So it's just like 4 elements. But you see the prevalent shape is reptile here. Boom, left eye, right eye. You see that? And then you see a bigger one right here. I mean, it's all like that, the same thing. Over and over and over and over. And look at these 2 huge eyes. If you don't know what this is about, but you don't know, really you don't. And you will say, oh, this guy is freaking tripping, he's seeing pareidolia, no. If it was pareidolia, you would see it maybe once or twice, and oh, look, and oh man, this is on every planet moving. And when you see the reverse Photoshop and all of that, then you see this is what it is. I'm not the only one that have found this deal. A dude Torcatero from Spain, he found it everywhere too. Once he saw it, the way I told him he would, he found it everywhere. He told me, oh my God, man, you were right. This shit is like that everywhere. I mean, everywhere. There's no craters, impact craters, none of that is true. It's all molten holes, and mostly hexagonal holes, because that's what the resonance, the electromagnetic resonance is used for. Not to do with hexagons. And that's what the hexagon in Saturn, the sun has hexagons, everything has hexagons because of that. The ocean in the Caribbean on the Devil's Triangle is, they find out the clouds form hexagons above it. But that is being projected from the ground up, from the bottom of the ocean up, because the ocean, the bottom is structurized. And that's what deal happened there. You disappear into something else. You go teleport somewhere, unfortunately. It's the frequency fluctuates there. This thing was exposed by a cloud that came out of Io. A cloud. Oh, really? A cloud? Yeah, a cloud. Well, you're supposed to be in the vacuum. That's not supposed to happen like that. Well, we're not exactly in a vacuum. No, we're in something different. This is electromagnetic. It is a mixture of things, not just a freaking vacuum empty. Nah, nothing is empty. There are stuff, and the only what would you say? The only constant is space between things, from the tiniest to the largest. That's the only constant in the universe, is space. And who controls space controls the universe. And who controls the universe? The conscious that created it. And that's what the boss stops. The buck stops at that level. A level of consciousness that keep on keeping, creating and giving. He doesn't take. He only changes. Imagine every which way is the same thing. Every which way. incredible. Look at that deal there, the tubing. Look at that, right there. Check it out. And what there is, a face and some kind of, yeah, there is a reptile eye, the right eye, the left eye, right there. But it's all the structures. See, the pupil, but it's a structure, and then you have this big old bright structure here, glowing. Yes, that's how they make the eye, right there. And that's the other eye. So it would be like this. But there's many more. Look, there's another combination right here. See that one? Right eye, left eye. Right eye, left eye. Right eye, left eye. Well, there's another eye here. It can even combine with the top one. There's a stack of eyes here, a stack of eyes here, and here, and here, and everywhere. Everywhere. But it's all a structure. That's all there is with the shape of that shape.